welcome to MyTrade PH. I will be showing you around how things are done in the country's top digital online brokerage. Who we are, what we do, and why we do this. Let's go! Hey Cadis, how are you? Are you free? We're having an office tour today.
Yeah, I'm free. Let me just finish with this.
Okay. This is Cadis, our promising online business expert hailing from the University of the Philippines where she earned a degree in HRIM. Joining Abacus Securities Corporation in 2020, she revolutionized its digital arm MyTrade PH. She streamlined the organization's digital processes and strengthened its core operations. Can you tell us who MyTrade is?
Well, Gail, MyTrade is the best partner for your investing because our platform is reliable and accessible. Look, I have it on my phone. But aside from that, we have an excellent customer service team who are dedicated to assist you from the beginning of your investing journey up to when you're already a seasoned trader. And not only that, we have award-winning research team who is there to support you in your journey to a better tomorrow.
Speaking of strengths and selling points, we are here now with the marketing team, where I also happen to be the digital creative head. So Drew, by the way, are you done with the content calendar for this month?
Yes, Gail, we're getting it done.
That's great. Okay, let's go.
Hey everyone, this is Gail. She's the figure behind MyTrade's latest digital pursuits and creative campaigns. So Gail, tell us, what distinguishes MyTrade's marketing voice?
Okay, MyTrade PH breaks the barrier between the Filipino masses and the stock market perception. We make stock market investing easier for everyone. How do we do that? It's easy. We create strategies and build benefits for our demographics, unique selling propositions, and customer journey to strengthen our customer relationships and build engagement and connection with our target market.
That's very insightful. Now, could you also let us know how you gain a deep understanding of your audience?
How do we do that? There's one thing I can think of. We listen. We listen intently to our audience. We listen to the trends. We take a look at the analytics and reports every day to make sure we know what our audience wants and needs. Listening is key. Supporting our clients and helping them through every step of their way is important, from trading and investing to opening an account and also in growing their retirement funds. Here's our busy bee, John Ray, from the customer service team.
That's right, Gail. We make sure that our MyTrade lines are open real-time, during market, and even after.
Interesting. Now, can you tell us how do you establish a positive and ongoing rapport with your clients?
We establish positive relationship with our clients by providing open and consistent lines of communication. We get in touch to them in a more personal way, making sure that the meaningful overall client experience is being met.
What is one thing you always make sure your team does?
I make sure that my team is upfront of our clients' needs when it comes to their stock investing journey here at MyTrade. We always support each other and we cultivate an atmosphere where everyone feels comfortable learning and developing.
Speaking of development, this is Rob,
Okay, make sure to place
our
that
business
order, okay?
development head.
Right. Bye, sir. Have a great day.
Hey Rob, are you busy? Can I bug you for a bit?
I'm good. What's
You look-
about?
You look like you're having fun, which is very unusual for a salesperson. Why do you enjoy business development?
Okay, number one, I really like to talk about money. No. I'm kidding. I'm just really happy, to be in a position to help people. It's really fulfilling, especially because my trade's goal is to provide a better tomorrow to every Filipino around the world. It's amazing at the same time, just to be able to provide input on how our clients can make their hard-earned money work for them through the stock market. Truly, it's just amazingly fun.
Just a little personal trivia. Rob is a new addition to the team. And so, what makes MyTrade an ideal workplace?
The people of MyTrade, and how we work together as a team towards a common goal, how we function as a team, like a well-oiled machine working seamless internal operation. Oh shoot, Gail, I need to take this call.
Okay, sure. Thanks,
Hello.
Rob. We haven't mentioned yet is that MyTrade technically has been in the stock market industry for 30 years. We are Abacus Securities Corporation's digital arm, and ASC has been around for quite a long time. Hi, Miss Sheila. Good morning. Just a quick chat today for the office tour. Are you free?
Yes, Gail, I'm free.
You've been here the longest, and I need to really ask you about this. How do you measure success?
Okay, for me, more than the money that you owned in your bank, more than the investments that you have and the real estate that you've invested in, I would say the legacy that I will leave to my colleagues, family, and friends. If I know that they've inspired them on the learnings and then the words of wisdom that I provided them, and they've applied it and became successful, I think that for me would be the measure of success.
On to our next stop is with the award-winning research team. Hi guys! Hi everyone! This is Bess from the research team.
Hi, Gail.
Hello, can you tell us what sectors do you focus on?
On the fundamental side, I cover banks and the economy. And we also have other analysts, Herman and Rainer, covering consumer, energy, and property. On the technical side, we also have Lawrence and Isaiah, who cover big caps and small caps for technical analysis.
Finally, what's your best advice to newbies in investing?
What do you think, Herman?
Alright, I think for newbies, as with anything in life, I think it's normal to commit mistakes in the beginning. But what's important is that we'll learn from these mistakes and we'll apply this in our next trades. That's all.
Thank you guys. See you later. One last treat for you guys. We'd have an exclusive sit-down with Abacus Securities Corporation and MyTrade's chairman. He's been with us through ups and downs and even inspiring the team on the ground when needed.
Welcome to Abacus.
Hi, Sir Paul. How are you?
I'm okay, thank you. And how are you?
Good, good. We just have a few questions for you today. We're doing an office tour. What is your vision for MyTrade PH and Abacus?
Let me sit down. We're into serious discussion. My vision for MyTrade, which is a part of the bigger Abacus Securities organization, my vision for MyTrade is to provide not only the best, or if not at least one of the best online system for the customers, for the MyTrade customers. Now, aside from that, because every an online system or broker essentially needs to have the infrastructure or the online system. We strive to make sure that what we have is perhaps the best what we can get in the market. But more than that, we want to add the important function of providing research. In other words, MyTrade is a business where you don't have a one-on-one relationship with the customer, but you are able to provide customers a meaningful research report, follow-up, and this kind of quote-unquote assistance. So we want to be able to get a complete organization that caters to the need of this particular segment or customer base. While for Abacus itself, the larger organization, of course, this area that is not MyTrade, we essentially cover large institution to high net worth retail and other agent-assisted retail customers. These customers we have served them in the last 30 years, and we will continue to provide that service to them in terms of good execution and first-class research. And I think time and again I talk about research because that differentiates us from everybody else. Otherwise, everyone else is the same. No? So you need to have a differentiating point. And for us, Abacus and MyTrade is the research that we provide.
What have been the most successful milestones and exceptional challenges of 2022 for both teams?
The most successful milestone is that during the period of 2022, especially the early parts, no, we're still in the pandemic, is being able to get the organization completely linked up. In other words, we have our operation in place, we have our research in place, we have our salespeople research, we have our systems people, in the office working. So I think that requires a lot of commitment from the organization in terms of the people, manpower, and I think that's the most successful thing that we've done. We tried to make sure that we come in and provide the continuous service just like pre-pandemic times.
Well, there you have it. The most essential thing for a better tomorrow. Start today.